don't have any makeup. You got more makeup than I do.
Oh. I'm not putting my mouth.
Is the lip gloss? It's pretty.
Wait. You need your pants and I take a picture.
You take pictures too? You
Yeah.
want to take a picture of me?
Please.
Cheese.
That's you.
Oh, pretty.
It's not a phone. It's a toy.
It's not a phone. It's just a toy.
I like that one. And this is the bag.
Oh, that's your food?
This is the bag.
Okay, you can eat it.
This is the bag.
It fell out. Look at you, good girl, getting your own food. Get it from him. You a big girl now. Uh-oh. Here, I'll get you. He's going to fall. What you trying to get, Brayden? Brayden, because he wants his own food.